Today we are going to learn to create a letterhead, and for this we would like to modify the margins to moderate. The margins decide on where your text starts and where your text stops. Okay. And the next thing that we would do is go to Insert and insert a shape. A shape to it. Okay, let's make it this shape. Hang on. Alright. If we have, let's change it to subtle effect green. I believe you are getting something blue because you're under your design. It will be the normal office. I, however, have chosen organic to be the theme. Now the next thing here is that let's just right click and put add text, and it's Alexander Lee Samaras. For the name Alexander Lee Samaras, we change the text size to 24, and if you can see here, it should be Garamond body. And the next step that we should be taking is to insert a book picture. So let me just put it blue clip art. We are not subscribed to the clip art option, but we have a picture here. Okay. Alright. Oops. Let's just change this wrap text to in front of text, then we can bring that down here. The wrap text option for this one should be square though. Okay, now what we are going to do here is we are going to change the format for this. First of all, we'll change the color. Alright, and the next one is we are going to change set some transparent color. We want to set it only to this darker green part. Okay, and then after that, just say, okay, after that we will just go and do some corrections and put some recolor effect to it that it makes nicer. Looks slightly better right now. And what we would do also is to add a border to it. Hang on, picture border. Let's just put this here. Okay, and we will be able to move it up. Let's just resize this to make it just nice. Okay, you would see that we have actually a transparent background as compared to the textbook, but it's okay, we'll just leave it as it is at this point of time. And I want to put one more at the side. I would just do a copy and paste and flip horizontally and put this up here. Okay, if you look at the textbook, this was bold. One way to get the white background is to resize our bar so that it just ends next to our picture. Next, we will key in the address, the phone, and the email. And it will be good if we can distinguish the address, email, and phone one from the other. And for this, we are going to use a bullet. Now, to get the symbols, you go to More Symbols. Make sure you select Normal Text and General Punctuation, and you select the bullet. Okay, so you see that the bullet is there. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a copy and paste, and it is there. Okay, if you have put an enter, you would see that the email address has been changed to a link. You can remove the hyperlink so that the formatting of the document remains the same. The next thing that we want to do is to have a line under the header. So we would just put a bottom border, and here we have the header. You can save the header File, save it. Okay, so that the next time when you needed it, you can just open the header and continue typing.